Hi guys, welcome to Infact and you are watching the cheapest ever 5G smartphone by Samsung. So friends, you heard right that Samsung is giving us the cheapest 5G smartphone ever. Galaxy A90 5G version is available at $675. Wow. As compared to the huge price of Note 10 Plus, we can see that A90 is performing very well according to its price. This phone also have Snapdragon 855 chip inside it, and its rocking speed is just amazing. So guys, we're talking about A90 5G version. This is the first smartphone that is in the mid-range but contains 5G. In the back, as you can see, it is 5G network based smartphone. The first and the main thing is it's 5G enabled. Infinity U display, triple camera setup, super fast charging. 5G network based smartphone, and it also got octa-core processor. We got Snapdragon 855 in a mid-range, and this is a big deal. It got 6.7 inches of display with Infinity U design, and we got AMOLED Full HD display. That is a pretty big deal. In the rear triple camera setup, we got 48 megapixel of the main lens, 5 megapixel zoom, and 8 megapixel, and it will get a lot of great dynamic range photos, and 32 megapixels of front camera, and this is a pretty good thing that we can enjoy the selfies. In the base model, we have 128 gigs of internal storage and 6 gigs of RAM. So we got Snapdragon 855 in the mid-range phone, and this is first time that we got a flagship chipset in a mid-range phone. After that, we got a 25-watt fast charging that will help you a lot in charging the phone very fast. It is both ends Type-C, that means USB is outdated now. So the point is that both ends contains that Type-C jack, and that's why we get very fast charging that will charge the phone faster than iPhone 11 Pro. Also, we have Type-C headphones. This shows that the headphone jack is still in the grave. It comes in two colors, white and black. The one we are having on the screen is very beautiful. It is just divided into two halves. The one half is like more colorful and one half is very clean and very clear. And yet this feels very good when your phone is multicolored. So we have a power button on the right side of the phone alongside the volume keys. On the left side we got nothing, and in the bottom we get no headphone jack. So while talking about the security, we have a fingerprint scanner mounted on the screen that is optical, not ultrasonic like Note 10 Plus and other flagships by Samsung. So the screen is very bright and the display is very good. For the software, we have One UI 1.5 alongside Android Pie 9. Maybe it will receive the Android 10 updates in the future. So the A90 beats Note 10 Plus and have 4500 mAh battery. Thanks to Samsung that it's giving the more battery capacity in the mid-range phone than the flagship phones. As we can see, it have triple camera setup. So when talking about the camera setup, the camera is rocking with the 960 frames per second of slow motion. That means ultra slow motion videos. It also have a slow motion. The night vision is very improved. Samsung also included live focus videos in this mid-range phone on the both the rear end of cameras and in the front end of the cameras. So if you are a focus lover, then this phone is for you. But I can tell you the focus is not very clear in the front camera. The focus is like shattered and it's not detecting the face very well like iPhone 11 and other flagship phones. But still we got very good focus than other mid-range phones. Means no mid-range phone is offering like focus display, but this have one. And if you want to turn off that, that's pretty easy. So guys, it can shoot 1080p videos on the front camera and 4K 30 frames per second videos on the back camera. So I hope that you enjoyed the video and you like the phone. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.